Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna talk about makeup brushes from Lakara brand. So if you wanna know how they are, the packaging, quality, application, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the packaging is somewhat like this. This comes in a cardboard package, and first they had a different packaging, but this time they have come up with a new packaging which is more travel friendly. They have even given a pouch to store your brushes, which is really good when you're traveling. So you can store your brushes in this. Okay, so let's start with first brush, which is you can say this foundation brush. This also can work very well with a cream or liquid, but I personally don't prefer brushes for using for applying my foundation. So I have applied foundation with this brush, but like today, but I went ahead and used my beauty blender ahead because I like that finish more than this. So second brush is this. This is F001 Lakara. This is a big powder, fluffy powder brush. So this is very big, okay? So you can apply powder all over your face, and this is a good quality brush. So I think I like this brush. But if you, there are two brushes in this, which is like a smaller one and this is the bigger one. Same thing, but the smaller size and the bigger size. So I take this for my under eye because it is easy to go into your inner corners and everywhere, and you can apply powder with this as well. But this is a beautiful brush. I like this brush more because this can be used as contour brush plus highlighter brush. You can bake with it, you can apply a blush with it. So this can be called as a multi-purpose brush. The only con Lakara brushes has that they do not sell individually. They're only selling the set. So that is the only thing I didn't like. But other than that, these are for around I got it for around 2199, which was I think a pretty good deal for like 10 brushes. Moving on to blush brush. This is a really good brush for blush. You can actually apply your blush with it and even blend it. So it is a really good brush. Moving on to the last face brush, which is a fan brush. So as you can see, I haven't opened it because I don't like to apply my highlighter with these kind of brushes. I don't think they perform well. I tried with this once, but it didn't perform that well. So I don't apply my highlighter with this. I apply it either with this brush or my stippling brush. I think these two perform really well for highlighter, or your finger does wonders. We have F006, which is a blending brush. It is a really good blending brush, as you can see. So I have applied my eye makeup today with this brush only. So I'll insert a little clip of it so that you can see the application of it. But this is really good blending brush. Basically, there are no a lot of brushes for eyes in this kit. Very few, and honestly speaking, only the blending brush and this inner corner pencil brush has worked really good for me. But other than that, I don't think, and even the eyebrow, yes, eyebrow brush. But other than that, I don't think you have to buy another set for eyes because this won't suffice your eye makeup game. Okay, so there is one weird brush in this, which is a flat shader brush, but it is not flat, it is fluffy. You cannot pack your eyeshadow with this. So this can be used as blending, so you can just place your eyeshadow into the right area with precision and then blend with this brush only. Moving on to the eyeliner brush. So honestly speaking, today I tried using this brush for eyeliner, but I think this is not as good as the brush you get with the eyeliner pots. That eyeliner comes with this brush, which is like this, and I think this is a pretty good brush to apply eyeliner. I get good precision with this brush than that brush. And the last brush is your eyebrow brush. So this brush is quite good. I have used it many times actually to use fill in my brows. So yeah, and I think for 2199 10 brushes is a really good deal. You can work with them. So Yeah, but there are some cons. So I like the quality of it, but there are not enough brushes for eyes, which is a disappointment for me. You get 10 brushes in 2199. What else do you need, right? Like every brush will cost you 200, so it's okay. So if you found this video helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.